It's here, it's here, it's finally here. It's here, it's here, it's finally here. I've been waiting so long and now it's here. Hi, I have my subscription box and I'm gonna unbox it. And I'm so excited. I've been staring at this for the past few hours, waiting for work to end, knowing that I'm coming down here to record this. And I'm so excited because this subscription box I feel like was made for me. Because I know that it's plant themed. And I have not been so excited for a subscription box in so long. I mean, I've been excited for them, but like now as a consumer, not a part of the design team, things are a little bit different. And catch my breath. I'm a little overly excited, as you can tell. When I started seeing the sneak peeks of this box, I just knew it was going to be mine. And I never planned on canceling or pausing my subscription because I just know from being on the design team how amazing these subscription boxes are. And that regardless of what's inside of them, it's always going to be something cool. And when I started to see the marketing for this box, and I saw the plants on top, when I started to see the sneak peeks and I saw some plants, I just got more and more and more and more excited about it. So let's unbox. This is the March 2022 subscription box from Archer and Olive. If you want to buy this box for yourself after watching this or any of the other videos, please do. I'll put the link for you in the descriptions below. It'll be my affiliate link. So if you want to support me and my excitement around Archer and Olive, you can use that link and it will kick me back a little bit, but no extra cost to you. And you'll be signed up for the subscription. So you will get this March subscription box if you're watching this before they sell out. And then you'll also be in line then to get all of the quarterly subscription boxes after that. You can cancel anytime. You can pause if you want to. But why would you do that when you have the ability to get these awesome subscription boxes? So let's go ahead. I am going to do one of these fun double screens today. I got a setup now that I can talk to you and also show the things that are happening as well and closer up close looks. So I'm going to stop talking and start doing. So first things first, a lot of chat about these online. This is the coloring pages that they included this time. They have a really awesome cutout here of the plants. Love that. I kind of want to find ways to reuse that inside of my own journal. Those are awesome. And then we have a different type of coloring page. So before they had a little bit more like a waxy coating to them, I guess, but these are a little bit more like thicker cardstock. So we have kind of a Monstera plant here. We have kind of just a general looking plant, viney lines. And then we have some like fan palms and some little leopards. Look at that little guy. He's so cute on here. So that's exciting. I like these. I don't always color in my coloring pages, but knowing that there are brush pens inside of here, I'll probably do it this time because I also want to try out this paper, see how it works. So that's first inside of here. Let's go next. So this, believe it or not, I actually haven't spoiled myself. So they didn't show everything that was inside of this box. They actually only showed a handful of things. And this enamel bookmarks are one thing that I did not know were going to be inside of here. So we've got like the leopard theme on here a little bit. So as Archer and Olive always does, I'm going to assume that we'll maybe get a little leopard. And a plant. Oh, this makes me so excited. So we have a little leopard, little enamel bookmark here. That's super cool. This one I'm using right away. I'm taking this out and putting this right in my journal, which is right on time because my little page holders just fell out of my notebook. I think my puppy ripped them out or something, but I'll have to super glue them back in, or I'll just use this super cool paper holder clip to mark my spot from now on. So look at that little guy. Oh, I'm so excited about it. I knew I was going to love this. As soon as I started to see just little bits of things about plants, I just was like, yes, Mark, this is all about you. Oh, that sounded selfish. All right, next. Let's see. Let's go with this. Washi. So we always get some good washi inside of here. You know, I'm always hit or miss on the washi. Sometimes I literally love it and I use it, and sometimes I'm like, not really my style. But let's see what we got inside of here. I have a feeling that because we got a lot of plant stuff in here, I'm going to like it because I love plants. All right, so we have kind of a leopard print one here. We have another one that has the same kind of patterns that we saw on the bookmark. So the little leopard and some of the leaves. Ah, this one I'm definitely using. This has a bunch of the monsteras and plants and ferns and all kinds of good stuff. I love that. And then look at this big, huge one. I don't think I've ever seen anything this big from Archer and Olive. Looks like just like a cool pattern on it. Not really just a pattern, which is cool. See, I'm down for a pattern. Doesn't make it difficult for me to use at all. Sweet. So 4 washies inside of there. Love that. Definitely will have to find some new homes. Like, I'm not a big leopard print person personally, but we'll find a new home for that. But the other one's super awesome. Love that. So cool. All right, we got more stuff. Let's go for this little guy. I don't know. I think I know what's inside of here, but I'm not really quite sure. I know there was like a notebook. Oh, I know there's a notebook, but like a notepad. So I'm curious if this is that. I'll open that up. Yes. All right, look at us. Look at us. Oh, look at that. All right. We got green papers, green dot grid papers inside of here. So like a real light green, dark green, and then like a medium. Okay, I'm down. I'm down to cut some pieces out or put this on my desk and use it. I love it. Yay. All right. Should we open up the notebook? I know what the notebook is because this is like one of the very first things that I started to see. A little bit of concern about this notebook. Let me just put that out there because the special feature of this is that it is perforated. So similar to the notepads from Archer and Olive, from my understanding, this paper is perforated. So I'm curious, like, how well is that going to stick inside of the notebook? And what's cool about these subscription boxes is that this could very well be the only notebook ever that has perforated edges in it. Or it could be something that they start to build into their normal thing. I just really honestly wanted it for the cover. If I could just get 100 of these notebook covers, I would be totally happy. So this is an A5 notebook, Archer and Olive, so 160 GSM paper. So all of the normal things we're used to seeing. It has a nice faux leather cover here with a really cool grain look to it. Love that. And then let's open her up. Take a look. Yeah, so here we are. So regular A5. Let's get our little bookmarks out of here. And then you can see here that the pages have perforation to them. So it's still bound like a normal notebook, which makes me feel better because then I know I was nervous that because of the perforation, like after you fold your pages so much, that what if it starts to tear? Because like it's one thing to be able to take out and tear out a page if you're really not happy. I don't know why you would do that, but some people do it. And I like that that's an option, but I was just nervous that like, what if that perforated edge comes undone without me wanting it to? So we'll have to try it out. I keep trying to figure out what my next notebook is going to be for my bullet journal. And now that I have this in my life, like this just kind of went top of the list because it has a plant on the front of it. So love that. Awesome. This is great. All right. Where are my pens? I know they're in here. Yes, here they are. All right. So Calliograph pens, these are the brush pens from Archer and Olive. They've had them out for a bit. We got our first preview of these in a subscription box, like 2 subscription boxes ago, 2 or 3. Never had seen them before. And then they started to come out in just mass. There's all the colors. I actually have 2 of the sets. I've got the Jewel and the Tropical set here. So just kind of building on that. So on the back, it has the different colors that are here, which are a bunch of like green colors, which very much go with the theme. And one of the reasons I'm so excited about this is because I feel like I would use more of these green colors, like just in the colors that I usually use. Let's take a look and see. I always look to see if the names are on these because that's like my favorite thing on pens. It's just, I have a hard time with colors. So if they have the names on there, I feel a lot more confident. And these do. So we have Marsh Green, which we'll do a pen swatch of this real quick in just a second. We've got Jungle Green. We've got a Parakeet. Blue Lagoon, so like a teal color here. And then we have our toucan orange. So greens, orange, and like a teal. So love that. Let's do a real quick swatch in just a second. We've got more inside of here, but we will definitely come back to this. Don't you worry. I want to see what these look like. These are going like top. They're just following me everywhere. I might just put them in my bag as I'm going back to work now. Just always have these colors with me. All right, next is this bag. So what else is in it? Ooh, okay. Got this and one other thing. So I did see this bag on the spoiler group. Somebody fit 6 bottles of wine and liquor inside of here. I don't believe that's what it's for, but they did. So from what I understand, this is like a tote that you can take your craft stuff in. So I joked the other day on my reels about joking about being outside and not having my stuff. So if I wanted to, I could put my stuff in here. Oh, look at that. It's the pattern from the washi tape, the big washi tape that we saw. So we have the arch and olive stitched here with that pattern that we saw on the washi tape all the way around. We've got a big center pocket here. And then on the outside, we have pockets. And there's 3 on each side. What's that? It's like a strap. Oh. What are those? There is a strap here. I just don't know what the strap does. But there's a hole on the side of here. On the inside, we got a little, I'm guessing that's a key ring would be here. You attach your stuff to. I don't know. Maybe this is the like tie stuff too? I guess so, right? There's like a little holder on this side and then this over here. I'll have to read into it more to see what the strap does. But maybe it goes over here for something. I don't know. I'm excited nonetheless. So we've got a big tote bag. And then we have one little guy inside of here. And I think that's it. I'm so used to these Archer and Olive boxes being so huge. So these look like little stickers. Let's take a look. Oh, yes. So we've got a bunch of little flake stickers here. Uh-oh. One of them is trying to escape already. So we've got ourselves our little monsteras, got our fans. I guess it's a coconut. Look at this. We got a little dude. Got some other ones here. Oh, he's by himself. You go here. So we get two of each. Yeah, looks like it. Yeah, 2 of each of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 patterns. And we've seen all of these before. Again, Archer and Olive does such a great job of creating these themes. So all of these things we've seen, whether it's in the coloring books or we've seen this little cheetah dude all over the place, monsteras, which are just like my favorite plant ever to have. So that's all good stuff. So yeah. So now I have more stickers, more planners, and I'm really excited. I'm trying to think like what's my favorite thing. I mean, the notebook is my favorite thing by far just because I love the notebook covers. These little stickers are super cute. Definitely can use these right inside of my notebook, a weekly spread, something like that. You could probably put these on like water bottles and stuff like that if you wanted to. Decorate your notebook. I could totally my messy and bright notebook. I still have plans for that one when I design it myself, but you could put stickers on there if you wanted to, all kinds of stuff. And I'm also really excited for these Calliograph colors. So let's just do a quick swatch of them and see what they look like. I'm really excited about it. Let me grab a little notepad and then let's swatch them real quick. All right, so we're going to use the notepad. So speaking of the notepad, this has the perforated edge on it. So I'm used to seeing the perforated edges on these because as a notepad, you're using it, you're writing stuff down, you're done, you kind of rip it off and you go to your next thing. Makes sense. So in the notebook, that's what I was worried about, that it was going to be bound, not that it was going to be bound like this, but similar. And that just made me nervous. But I think I'm okay with it. We're going to have to definitely try it and test it and make sure that it's good to go as we continue to use it. So let's go ahead and do real quick swatches of the Calliograph colors. Really excited for these. I think I'm just going to keep them out on my desk all the time and use them. So the first one we're going to use is Blue Lagoon. So the Calliograph colors come in two sides. So you have your brush side here. It lets you do some fun stuff. And then you have kind of a thinner, it's not a fine point. It's actually just like a smaller brush point. So you can still, you know, do all the lettering you like, but just not as thick. So that there is the Blue Lagoon. So it's like a teal color. Next one here is going to be called Parakeet. So that's going to be a nice bright. Yeah, love that. That's a good color. This is one that I'm definitely going to use inside of my coloring pages for sure. All right, our next one here is Jungle Green. So a really nice dark color. Just following that there. I should just write H's everywhere, right? Because like we always write hello when we do our lettering. So I like that a lot. Jungle Green's a great color. Next one is going to be called Marsh Green. So this one looks to be a bit lighter, much lighter actually. Very light. Trying to think like how I would use this because it's so light, but we'll figure it out. And then the last one here is going to be Toucan Orange. Ooh, that's a good color. I really like that one too. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, so I definitely have my top three colors. I absolutely love the Toucan Orange. I think that this Jungle Green is really nice. And I love this Parakeet color on here too. Like these three are just like killing it. I love it. So excited to have these new colors and excited just to have this entire subscription box. You will get sick of me talking about this because I'm that much in love with it. Like, been really excited for it for a while, so glad that I finally have it, and glad that I can start to use some of this stuff, and glad that you hung out with me during this unboxing, because you know that I geek out for these things, and I'm going to assume that you do too, because that's why you watch unboxing videos here on YouTube. If you'd like to get yourself a subscription box from this box here, you can actually sign up now and you will get this March subscription box that we just unboxed here. You can go ahead and click on the link below and it will take you directly to their website and it will let you purchase a subscription box, and then you'll get that in a few business days, depending on where you are. And I'm just really excited about it. And don't forget, if there's anything else you want to buy as a part of that purchase, you can use my discount code MENWHOBullet10 to get 10% off of items that fall underneath of that. So the subscription box can't be used with a discount, but you can get that off of stickers and notebooks and pens and other things like that too. If you want to watch more unboxings of past subscription boxes, I'm going to go ahead and pop that up next, and you can watch an entire playlist of unboxings and art and all of stuff. I have so much fun unboxing and going through these. They're so much fun. So you can hang out and check that out. I'll talk with you later on. Have yourself a good one and happy planning.